Yeah, I took a short at the 90. I faded the heck out of it. So I took one off. I took two off. One for a point, the other one here at 86. I'm trying to get it down to 84.
84. You might
Yeah,
get it. Look where the neck of that double bottom is.
I know. That's what I'm hoping. I
Yeah.
want to smack it because Jerome said that 60% is at 84. So I might
Oh,
secure the
okay.
bag there.
Yeah.
David, you got in at the 90 on after the bounce up above the 90, or
Hmm.
were you holding
Yeah.
through those rotations?
Oh, no, 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 no. So after this area here, I marked it in. My level was 90, and started to come down.
Gotcha. And that was based off of the like rotations and rejection back below.
Well, actually, it's just based off of this level here, the
Okay.
rejection off of the 1790.5. That was my level of resistance. So I figured I'd try one. If I can get it up towards the top, I have very minimal risk here, right off my level. It could have came back and maybe double top and then try to shoot down, but it was worth it to try it for me. Seems to be
Nice.
working out well.
It's beautiful. The discipline to hold off when it found support or resistance a little lower and wait for the actual level.
Yeah,
So,
because I took a short. I took two shorts here, right at this area, and one of them worked out pretty well. The other one took me out for 3 ticks. And so I thought this whole thing from this point on ripped right to our next level of resistance.
mhm,
So I figured with that rip, we should maybe get a nice little bit of a slip down.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
makes
Nice.
sense.
David, may I ask how you disqualified that trade on the previous top? Because we had a nice rotation on gold, but you didn't take along?
How about like this one here? Oh, this one here?
Yeah, exactly. Well, we just rotated on your support level, but you didn't take along, I guess.
Oh, right over. Are we talking about like this double bottom here?
No, just recently where it was right now, where it just broke it, right now.
Oh, like break
Uh,
here and then come back here and use it as support?
yeah, yeah,
Okay.
exactly. And you didn't take along on that level, did you?
No, I didn't actually even think about it because I was already short.
Ah, okay, cool.
Yeah,
Because yeah, it didn't really respect it. It just broke through. So I thought I ask how you disqualified that trade.
gotcha. Yeah, no, I was short here from 1790. So
Mm,
my goal to highlight these two areas right here, this top peak, and these areas right here is actually where I'm looking for
just
the
to go
short to
out.
come to and then take out,
Okay.
my profit target. So usually, whether you're in the trade or not, you want to make sure you're identifying the levels that it's going to go to so you can take some profit off. So I usually
Mm,
highlight the areas that I want to take some off. So top peak here, because what could happen in this bullish trend that we're in is it could easily just double bottom here and shoot up, or come back down a little bit deeper and then find the support and shoot up. So if I'm short, this is where I'm looking to take my profits off. Those who want to be long, this is the area you're eyeballing for a continuation or trade to the upside. Um, if you don't
And
want
now
that
you
high of an area,
and now
then
you're just waiting, right? Because you don't want to take a long straight away after the short.
yeah, yeah,
David,
I
we can do that, but you guys really need to focus on one thing first.
Okay.
yeah,
Otherwise, you're going to use the mess that is already given to us in the session. So just with one side.
yeah. Usually it's best to like stick to trading one end of the market's direction. So if you want to, the best ideal trades are going to be the trend trades, right? So if this is bullish, where do you want to see the support? What do you want to see as support? And those are the areas that you look to take the longs. Right? It's
Gotcha.
probably just easier to do it that way versus trying to look for both long and short, long and short. It's just a matter of getting used to understanding one setup at a time. For Wendy and I, we look for multiple different things, only because we're pretty good at seeing it already. By the way, this was a nice long for you guys. That's a good
Yeah.
long off S&P. Good job.
Yeah,
Uh,
prior peak, which is 24.
mhm. So
Now,
this, I'm
go
sorry.
ahead.
Go ahead. Man.
Yeah, go ahead. I just want to say now I'm looking for it to come down to like the 1920 area for continuation up. Go ahead. Sorry.
Yeah, no worries. So this is where even for like gold, this is where you can start to line up things structurally on it to see where your actual supports and resistances are. So if I'm gonna line up like maybe support areas here, you can see me following these lows right off these levels, so I can get ideas of where the market potentially can hold some structural support before we find our way back to the upside. For me, this is what may potentially happen is either we hold these 84s or we come back to this neckline and hold that as support. Those are the two areas, but you can see we're falling right through those 84s right now. So I just stay away until I see something that makes structural sense. Say if we get an opportunity of a bounce and a double bottom here at this level, I'll probably look for an upside move from there.